On today's video, we're going to see if Celsius Orange can work in cocktails. Lately, the energy drink Celsius has become increasingly popular. Featuring no artificial preservatives or flavors, no high fructose corn syrup, and just 10 calories, Celsius seems like a much healthier way to start your day or get a pick-me-up than your standard Red Bull. We like it so much here at The Blind Pig, we actually have a subscribe and save order that arrives each month with Orange. One thing Red Bull does have the edge so far on is it's using cocktails. From the standards Red Bull and vodka, Jager bombs, or Vegas bombs, I could find over 30 cocktails online that use Red Bull as an ingredient. What I could not find, however, are any drinks that feature Celsius in the recipe. We wanted to figure out, can you mix Celsius and alcohol and make a delicious or at least palatable cocktail? Let's find out.
If you love a margarita as much as we do here at The Blind Pig, but just wish they gave you a little more energy, a little more pep, let's try it with Orange Celsius. 1.5 ounces of our tequila, 3/4 ounce of lime juice, bar spoon of agave, shake it up. Pour into your glass. And instead of triple sec, put a splash of Celsius in there. Cheers. Freaking delicious. Maybe you've had the traditional Vegas bomb before, but have you ever had it with Orange Celsius? Let's see if it works. Pour a shot of our Crown Royal. Set that aside for now. We're gonna mix in a pint glass, cranberry juice, peach schnapps, and Orange Celsius. Bombs away. Delicious. Give this a shot, guys. Vegas bomb with Orange Celsius. Cheers.
I've had many a Jager bomb over the years, which is simply Jägermeister dropped into a glass of Red Bull. What I've never had, though, is an Orange Celsius bomb. Let's go ahead and try it out. About half fill a pint glass with Orange Celsius. Take a shot of Jägermeister. Drop it in. Let's try it out. Cheers. That works extremely well. That is at least as good, if not better, than Red Bull. Try this one out. The Red Bull and vodka has been a staple at college bars across the country for many years. Let's give a shot of Orange vodka and Orange Celsius to see how it works. Cheers. Freaking delicious. Honestly reminds me a little bit of a screwdriver with a lot more pick-me-up. I'm going to say this one's actually better. I like this one better than Red Bull and vodka. Orange vodka, Orange Celsius, big thumbs up from The Blind Pig.
We posed the question here at The Blind Pig, can you substitute Red Bull with Orange Celsius in your cocktails? And after trying 4 of these, I will say, absolutely you can, guys. These were fantastic. Some of them are even actually better than the original. The rest were at least as good. Guys, if you have Orange Celsius at home, don't think you have to go out and buy Red Bull. These drinks absolutely work. They're ready to go for a night out in town. Cheers. We posed the question here at The Blind Pig, can you substitute Red Bull for Orange Celsius in your cocktails? Well, I'll say 2 things. Hell yeah, you can. And also, don't drink 4 of these back-to-back because Red Bull might give you wings, but 4 back-to-back Orange Celsius cocktails makes you want to run through walls. Cheers.